Are you weird? Are you a little bit different? Are you not quite the same as everybody else and you want your home to match your personality? We may have the winner for you today.
Yep, we're continuing in our series in the Nexton Model Series here. And today we're at New Leaf Home Builders. We don't know each other. My name is Mark. This is Jeff. We're with the Charleston Area Living Group. And on this channel, we talk about all things Summerville, Nexton, Charleston County, Berkeley County, Dorchester County, all over the place.
I think you hit everything there.
Did I?
Yeah.
All right, I did it right the first time.
First take, baby. No, first take. We did it.
So we have people reaching out just like you all the time with calls, emails, and texts asking about the area. We love that. Keep it coming. All of our information is down in the description down below. But the best way to get a hold of us is click that link, schedule a Zoom call with us, and that way we can learn about exactly what your price range is, what you want in the neighborhood, the lifestyle you want to live, all of that. Or we can do it in person in our office in Nexton too.
Which is right down the road, absolutely.
So we're going to go see this model.
Yeah.
And it's called the what? Aneto?
Aneto.
Yeah. A-N-E-T-O.
Wait till you see the end of this video. I think it's something really special. I think you're going to like it. All right, so at the Aneto with New Leaf Builders, this one is 2,550 square feet on the main house, but we got a surprise on this one that's gonna be another 300. I can't wait for you to see this.
I like these big, huge porches too, Jeff.
Oh yeah.
With the big swings, the bed swings. Super nice.
Yeah, that's...
You got your gas light up there.
Why are you gonna bring up the gas light? I'm so
it's
sad.
A sore part.
It really is. I wish it would have... Here's the New Leaf Extraordinaire Realtor of the Universe. So this is an office right inside the front door. Beautiful space. And you have the doors here with the glass so you can close the office space off.
I love the high ceilings too.
Yeah. So a half bath here to the left going down the hall. And this is a neat space. This has like a barn feel to it in this room, don't you think?
Yeah, a little farmhouse feel.
Yeah.
Because of the pitched roof and the beams. And...
I'm so glad you said pitched roof. I was frantically searching my head for what to call that, and you just nailed it. So this is pretty. We've got we've got a beer cooler in this one.
Heck yeah!
Got the White Claw.
New Leaf treats realtors very well.
Yes, you're liable to buy more houses too when you're done.
Yes, absolutely.
Got a fireplace in here. Beautiful stonework behind the fireplace. Really a nice area. So let's go see what's back here, but we're not going to show you what's out there yet. I want to go upstairs in this house.
I'm pointing
first.
the camera this way so nobody can see.
Look at the size of this sink.
That is a huge farmhouse sink.
It's got the whole farm vibe going here.
You like that?
Yeah, you can wash a small dog in. Actually, you can wash a medium dog in that.
Could I fit in that one?
No. $5 to try. All right, so listen. This might be the best pantry ever created because it's stocked up.
Oh, look at that.
Look at this. We've got all the Doritos,
and
Cheetos, Diet Coke. Cheetos and Diet Coke. That's all I need in my life.
I wish my pantry looked like this.
This is nice.
I like it.
All right, so let's head up. No, there's another bedroom. Actually, there's a primary bedroom.
Yeah, the primary bedroom.
Hold on, wait. You gotta go around the bend here. There's more back here.
Oh yeah, the garage.
Takes me a minute to get.
It's an attached garage.
Yeah.
But in the back.
Yeah.
Which is different.
They got a workshop.
This is normally garage.
All right.
And then you have this nice little drop zone.
Okay.
And I'm going to turn this way so they don't look out there.
Yeah. Stop trying to peek on the TV and looking outside. All right. Hang left and big old. Oh, this one has the tub that I think is so cool.
Are you going to get in it?
No. I think once we see me beside the tub, we realize that it's not going to happen. Look at this faucet, though.
Ooh, it's fancy.
It is. It's totally.
It's a little wobbly, though.
It is. Somebody probably used it as an armrest. To get up.
People love these tubs, though. Look how deep that thing is.
That is cool. So, and it's got
super shower. Please do not turn it. Dad, stay away, Jeff. Stay away.
Like, I absolutely wouldn't turn on the shower if they didn't have the sign.
Right.
Once they have the sign there, it's killing me. Wow, look up at the rain head.
Oh, that is a rain head.
That's not raining. That's a thunderstorm. Oh my God! I have to turn the shower. No.
This is cool with this thing in the
Listen,
middle.
I'm gonna turn it on, but we're gonna do it after we turn off the video because I don't want any evidence whatsoever that I did it. You know, Mark, if somebody were to call you and say, "Who's the most interesting builder in Nexton?" I think this would be the answer.
Yes, I agree with that, 100%. So look, you got room for a little desk here. You got this beautiful loft, and then you have this awesome front porch out here, along with extra bedrooms.
There's a lot of space up here.
There's a lot of space out here.
Yeah.
It's like a bowling alley.
It's about big enough for bocce.
You could.
You could set up bocce here.
Could we play pickleball? No, then the ball would go over the thing.
And I'd go trying to dive after the ball and go over the rail. So laundry up here and linen closet here.
Okay.
I'm getting too far ahead of you, aren't I?
That's okay.
Oh, nice tiled.
Full big tiles too, not subway.
Yeah. Secondary bedroom here.
Okay.
But don't look out although you got to show this mirror. It's like,
Is it wood?
yeah, it's like,
It's like twigs
driftwood
or
pieces, or
Yeah.
use that to start a fire.
Now they know what kind of fancy camera we're using.
Nothing but the best. So
Big room for a second.
yeah, look, this has 2 beds in it.
Yeah.
All right, so if you did have 2 teenage girls in here,
That wouldn't be enough.
this isn't going to be enough.
No.
We're going to have a problem. You know what?
They got their own bathroom though.
That's not your problem.
No.
That's their problem.
That's right.
These ceilings up here are really tall for a second
For a second floor,
story.
yeah. Normally it's not that big.
All right, let's go see what I've been
The
wanting to
surprise.
show them the surprise.
All right.
So we've seen, I think, 2,650 square feet in this house, but there's an additional, I think, 300 square feet that you haven't seen yet.
And if it were you, you would put a specific person out here.
Yes, if you were
If you
cursed.
had to. If you had to.
If you were cursed enough to have to live with your mother-in-law, the evil demon that she is, this would be where you would put her. They call it, so this is a cottage, and then they have a bigger one called
Cabana.
This is cabana. I got the C right.
Yep.
And then they have one that's another 100 square foot. So this is about 300 plus.
Right.
And then there's over 400 is the casita.
Casita. You
which
did
has
good.
like a full kitchen in it.
Good job. They got a
So-
little putting green out
Yeah.
there. That's nice.
All right. I can't be here without putting. All right, so I'm going to try it is raining hard too.
Go for the other ball.
I'm going for the
gutter?
to hit the gutter downspout.
All right.
Oh, that curved it. That did you when that took off? It was going the
It
right
was
direction.
going the right direction.
Yeah. Wow, is it raining?
So that would come in from your driveway and
Not
garage
a
in
very
the back.
Charleston-y day today.
No. Do we have lights?
Probably. All right, so kitchenette
This is the kitchenette.
in this
Yep.
one. This is not the cottage. What's it called?
Cabana.
Cabana. This is totally big enough for one person, especially that you don't like so much.
You know what else I'm thinking? You have twin teenage girls.
Yeah.
This is big enough to put them out here when
Yeah,
you
just
don't
send
like
them out
anymore.
Yeah.
You like them right now. You kind
I
of
do.
like them.
I do.
But there's going to be time when you don't like them.
There's even times when I don't listen. I always love them.
Yes.
Don't always like them. I could send them away now.
Yeah.
We're already at that point. They're going to be 14 here in a couple
And
weeks.
they could have their own house and not get hurt because they're not too far away.
Right.
from home.
Yeah. Put a fence up. Be good.
Yeah.
So
A full
you could
bathroom,
build. Yeah. Full
Okay.
bathroom here. So you could build this. It's over 100 square feet more, but it can have a full kitchen, or you can build it bigger and still have the kitchenette. I would want the full kitchen because I don't want mother-in-law coming in the main house.
Yeah.
to
So
feed.
the bigger one has the full kitchen.
You can
This
do
is
it
the
with
kitchenette.
Yep.
Okay.
You can do it with or without the full kitchen in the bigger one.
But then there wouldn't be enough space for everything else.
Right.
Gotcha. Okay. I
So,
like this. This is cool.
Really an interesting layout.
You know what this would also be good for? A great man cave.
Yeah.
Or, let's say you work from home and you want
Oh.
to have that separation from the house.
Totally.
This would be amazing.
This would be a great office space.
Yeah.
You should buy one of these, and this could be our office,
Oh, that would be nice.
right?
Still right here in Nexton.
In Nexton, we don't have to pay rent down.
And I
into
can put a
our
pool
office.
right in the middle.
we got this done. Let's go in. We're buying this house.
All right. See ya.
So how cool is that? You could have, I mean, that is a lot of
So many things you could do with it. Yeah.
The mother-in-law that you hate, of course. But if you, like you said with the office, that would be amazing.
Yep.
You could actually use that as an income producing in Nexton here. Have that as a separate living area that you could rent out. Now you can't do short-term Airbnb here.
No.
But you could, I think it's
Monthly,
6 months.
6 months.
I think it's 6 month minimum, but you could, I mean, let me think. I think you get 1,200.
Probably 1,200.
Yeah, for that. I'm not a rental guy so much.
I just thought of an amazing, another use for it.
Yeah.
So you put a pool in the courtyard.
Yeah.
That becomes your party house.
Yeah.
And nobody has to go in your house to go to the bathroom.
Right.
You clean that one 400 square foot building.
Go in after the party with the leaf blower, blow it out. You put a beer meister in there.
Your house doesn't get dirty. Problem solved.
I really want you. You know how like the best? They always say the best boat is a friend's boat.
Yeah.
I want you to buy this.
You
house.
want me to do that?
I do. I want you to do it out in this courtyard here. Get us our pool so we can get out in our Speedos and do our thing. Party in the house.
The Speedos, yeah.
Won't wear a Speedo.
No Speedos. You can wear a bathing suit, no Speedos.
Yeah.
All right.
So hope you like this. Do us a favor. We're out here in the rain today. Help a brother out. Like and subscribe. It really does help us in the channel. We'd really appreciate it. And most importantly,
what they should not do.
Don't come in here unrepresented.
Yes.
You want to come in here. You want to speak to us first. There's no downside to coming in here without a realtor. There's only upside. We can talk through that. But if you come in here without us the first time, sometimes it makes life difficult. We've had a bunch of people that have said, hey, we want you to represent us, and they've already come in and it's a bit of a fight sometimes. So make sure you check in with us first.
All right. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching the Nexton video series. See ya.